I might be rough around the edges, maybe yes. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I may be rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Deny me that I'm blessed. Oh. Self-elevation, self-preservation, these are the things that deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take 5, and give thanks to the source that creates life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, or see my son born with his very same eyes, or see my son smile bright in every gray sky. He's growing so fast, that's an everyday eye. Keep it 100, don't stop at 90. Praise the Almighty, the one who anoints me. Oh, Jah. Say tonight, me and my guys, we go jump back, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bad man no go stress, oh. See tonight, me and my guys, we go jam bedu. We go jam bedu. See, I don't really want to talk about the things when gon' make me down tonight. See, I don't really want